The Daily Code Snippet. This week we are switching gears and we'll start to discuss how to handle tables with HTML. A table is a data structure used to organize information in rows and columns. By virtue of a table, one can quickly and easily look up values that make connections between different types of data. If done properly, then even those with visual impairments will be able to understand tabular data in an HTML table. However, tables should never be used to lay out a web page. It is solely for the purpose of presenting tabular data. What do we mean by using a table for layout? Sometimes you see a table row containing the header and the content of the page divided into columns and the footer as a row. This use is a remnant of the older web when browser support of CSS or Cascading Style Sheets was poor. However, with modern standards, this is no longer accepted. The main reason is accessibility again. Screen readers interpret the tags on a page, and if the tags are not being used appropriately, then the user will become confused. One thing to note is that tables are not automatically responsive, so to properly format a table, the CSS styling works hand in hand with solid HTML for the table to work across devices. However, our focus at this time is the structure of the table, and we will get into styling when we start discussing CSS. To begin a table, we start with a table element. The entire contents of the table is enclosed by the table opening tag and the table closing tag. To create a table cell, we enclose the cell contents within a TD opening tag and a /TD closing tag. TD stands for table data. So if our row consists of 3 cells, we will copy the TD element 2 more times. It will look like this. Table data elements comprise a row, and they will align horizontally. When we want to create a second row with another 3 data cells, we will use the table row element TR opening tag and /TR closing tag to identify each row. It will look like this. Don't forget to enclose your data in the table element. Would display as presented by Designers Learn Code.